Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to manage known AirDrop contacts on iPhone and iPad. The latest iteration of iOS adds an extra layer of verification when using AirDrop with unknown contacts. Notably, there is an option to generate an AirDrop code on the receiver's device, which can then be entered on the sender's device to complete the transfer. Codes allow AirDrop to work for a 30-day period. People you have shared a code with can be managed with ease on your device as well. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the general option. After that, choose the airdrop option. Next, we have to tap on Manage Known AirDrop Contacts. Here, you should see a list of all the known contacts. And finally, take the necessary steps depending on your needs. And that's about it. So, that's how you can easily manage the known AirDrop contacts on your iPhone and iPad. Once you understand how AirDrop recognizes and prioritizes known contacts, it becomes much easier to fine tune your sharing preferences. Regularly updating your contacts and choosing the right airdrop visibility option helps you balance convenience with privacy. With these settings in place, you can enjoy fast wireless sharing on your iPhone and iPad without worrying about unwanted transfer requests. Now that you have unlocked this handy feature, make the most of it to safeguard your privacy and also perfectly manage the known airdrop contacts to your heart's liking. And I'll catch you up in the next one.